Everything nowadays in security technology is about verification. And verification obviously means looking at the subject to make an informed decision. Well, drones are commercially available. What does that mean? It means that should you have an application where you want to see aerial views of the risk area, CAMERA Surveillance can come to your aid and we can help you. We can put a solution together for you which will enable you to look at whatever it is from whatever height and safe distance that is possible, bearing in mind that all the information it gathers is sent to the control room. The controllers make an informed decision, they get armed response out to you, and they get those people off your premises. You may also have a safety or a fire hazard or a flood hazard and other hazards. Well, as soon as you've got an eye in the sky, then you can win. You can tackle that situation, you can find stolen cars, and you're going to be a much more efficient and much safer business. So our job at CAMERA Surveillance is to understand what your risk is, to help you with that, and to make sure that you get the joy of peace of mind. We are CAMERA Surveillance. Thank you very, very much.